Today I'm diving deep into the mind-bending question: is telepathy really connected to quantum entanglement? Join me as I try to unravel this mystery. Telepathy and quantum entanglement, two phenomena that have fascinated humans for centuries. Telepathy, the alleged ability to read minds, has been a topic of both amazement and skepticism. Quantum entanglement, on the other hand, is a scientific phenomenon where two particles become connected, allowing them to affect each other instantaneously, regardless of distance. Both telepathy and quantum entanglement have an air of mystery surrounding them, leaving many to wonder if there's more to these occurrences than meets the eye. Skepticism about telepathy is understandable. Many claim it's nothing more than a parlor trick, a way to deceive and manipulate others. And yet, there are those who believe that telepathy is real, that it's a legitimate form of communication that transcends language and space. Quantum physics, on the other hand, is a well-established scientific discipline, with theories and experiments that have been extensively tested and validated. But what if I told you that some researchers believe that telepathy might be linked to quantum physics? One of the primary arguments against telepathy is that it seems to defy the laws of physics as we know them. If telepathy were real, it would imply that information can be transmitted from one mind to another without any physical medium, something that's currently impossible according to our understanding of the universe. However, some scientists propose that maybe, just maybe, telepathy operates on a level that we're not yet familiar with, a level that's governed by the principles of quantum physics. Quantum entanglement, in particular, has sparked interest among researchers studying telepathy. If two particles can become connected and affect each other instantaneously, regardless of distance, why can't the same apply to human minds? It's a fascinating idea, one that challenges our understanding of space and time. Some researchers argue that telepathy could be a form of quantum entanglement, where two minds become connected, allowing them to exchange information and influence each other's thoughts and emotions. While the idea of linking telepathy to quantum physics might seem far-fetched, there are some experiments that suggest there might be a connection. For instance, studies on quantum non-locality have shown that when two particles are entangled, their properties can be instantaneously affected, regardless of distance. Some researchers have attempted to replicate this phenomenon using human subjects, with some intriguing results. In one experiment, two individuals were placed in separate rooms, and their brain activity was measured while they attempted to communicate telepathically. The results showed that their brain waves synchronized, suggesting that there might be a connection between their minds. One of the most compelling arguments for a link between telepathy and quantum entanglement comes from the concept of quantum consciousness. This theory proposes that consciousness is not solely a product of the brain, but rather a fundamental aspect of the universe, akin to space and time. If consciousness is indeed fundamental, it's possible that it could be connected across vast distances, allowing for telepathic communication. The most compelling evidence for a link between telepathy and quantum entanglement comes from the work of neuroscientist Andrew Newberg and his team. They found that when two individuals are in a state of deep meditation, their brain activity becomes synchronized, resembling the phenomenon of quantum entanglement. This synchronization was observed not only in their brainwaves, but also in their heart rates and other physiological responses. It's as if their bodies were connected, allowing them to share information and influence each other's states of consciousness. In another study, researchers used functional magnetic resonance imaging to scan the brains of individuals who were attempting to communicate telepathically. They found that the areas of the brain associated with language and communication were active, but what was more surprising was that the scans also revealed activity in areas associated with quantum processing, such as entanglement and superposition. It's as if the human brain is capable of processing information in a way that's similar to quantum mechanics. The evidence might not be conclusive, but it's certainly intriguing. It raises questions about the nature of consciousness, the limits of human communication, and the potential for a deeper understanding of the human experience. If telepathy is indeed linked to quantum entanglement, it could revolutionize the way we think about ourselves and our place in the universe. In summary, while the connection between telepathy and quantum entanglement is still speculative, the evidence is certainly thought-provoking. It challenges our understanding of the human brain and its capabilities, and it opens up new avenues for research into the nature of consciousness. Thanks for watching, and if you have any thoughts on this fascinating topic, please share them in the comments below. And if you're interested in exploring more mind-bending concepts, be sure to check out our video on the quantum nature of reality.